If you want to start your ready-to-wear business, then this video is a must watch for you. I'm going to be giving you all the details you need to know. So sit back, relax, and watch this video to the end. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be telling you ready-to-wear styles that really sells out fast. I mean ready-to-wear styles that you can really sell very fast. The first style that sells out really very fast are two-piece sets. You know those outfits that come in trouser and shirts, skirt and blouse, shorts and blouse, those two-piece sets, knicker and blouse. So your skirt and blouse, your trouser and blouse, your shorts and blouse, those two-piece sets you can style separately. That you can wear the trouser with another top, wear the top with another trouser. They really sell out very fast like hot cake. Another outfit that sells out really very fast, in fact that's been breaking the internet, is the bubu kaftan styles. They come in different styles, different versions. Nigerian designers are giving us our feel of bubu. Everybody right now is on the rich auntie vibe. Even a young girl that just finished secondary school, she's now a rich auntie right now, and everybody's looking for bubu kaftan styles. Most ready to wear brands also have their bubu line. If you want to start your ready to wear business, then you have to include bubu kaftan styles. They sell out very fast. Just make sure your designs are unique, easy to wear, and not too complicated. And if they are complicated, make sure they are still beautiful and well put together. The next outfit that really sells really fast is the kimono style. Just like bubus have different versions and styles, the kimono too has different styles. They have been recreated into blouses, tops, jackets, boyfriend jackets. Different versions of kimonos have evolved. So if you are starting a ready-to-wear line and you are confused of the style to include, you have to include a kimono style. It will sell out. Just make sure your fabric is unique and beautiful. Simple gowns or shift dresses also sells out very fast. Short, new length and easy to wear gowns also move very quickly. Another outfit is the shirt dress. People love them. They wear them everywhere. Shirt dresses sells out really very fast like hot cake. Jumpsuits are outfits that will never go out of fashion. They keep evolving from what they were in the early 2000s to what they are now. Jumpsuits never go out of style and they keep selling out, especially when the design is beautiful. So you have to include it in your ready-to-wear business. Another outfit that sells really fast is the crop top. Crop top comes in different versions. Crop top blazers, kimono crop tops, basic shirt crop tops. Crop tops really sells out fast when you have a ready-to-wear line of it. Another outfit that sells really very fast and sells crazy are the corset tops or blouses. If you have a ready-to-wear business, make sure you include corset tops because people will always buy, especially if it is beautiful and looks very nice. Another hot cake outfit to include your ready-to-wear fashion business is shorts and trousers. They never go out of fashion, always in demand. A lot of people just grab shorts or trousers and pair them with a top and they are good to go. So these are the outfits that you must include or at least think about to include in your ready-to-wear business, especially if you are confused about where to start. Now, these are the things you must know before you start your ready-to-wear business. If you have any question or advice on how to go about your ready-to-wear business, you can leave them in the comment section. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.